So next topic is RT Linux. RT is nothing but real time Linux. Linux is a operating system. So compared to your Windows operating system, Linux will be best. Okay. So few functions, features used in the RT Linux system are given here. So Linux function for the signal multi-threading and semaphore and message queue interprocess communication are given here. So features and description of the features are given in the table. Thread properties. I think you all know what is thread. Thread is nothing but small bit of program. Okay. So module like okay, which will be acting as a small program in the main program. And then properties of thread are given here threads of same process share the memory space and manage access permission. The IPC, that is internet protocol control, are used for synchronization object, and then inter-process communication object and threads. Okay, so here they are going to use same memory space, and access permission will be common to all the threads. Okay, and then signal function. So here signal functions, few signal functions are given here. This signal, sigation signal, which will be defining the structure signal. Okay, and then signal handler, which will be handling the function, and then SIGI MPFYSET, okay, which will be defining the signal as a MT, and then thread functions. Okay, so thread functions சிலது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. This will be like what to say, which will be used while you are forming the threads. Okay, struct p thread, t client thread. This will not be you will not memorize this. Okay, you don't want to memorize all these points, just you know it, that's enough. Okay, these are the functions, few functions available for thread. Okay, example one or two you write it, it's enough. Semaphore function. So semaphore function now or format, அதே மாதிரி signal function now or format, it's enough. Okay, you don't want to write all the 5 points. Then mutex function. What is mutex? Any one of you? Mutex. Already I said about the mutex. Now, okay, ma. See, இதுதான் RT Linux. RT Linuxல சில features given here for the signal multi-threading and semaphore message queue interprocess communication. அதில் thread property, signal function, thread function, semaphore function given here. அடுத்தது mutex function. Okay, mutex means mutually any one of you, already I said this. What is mutex? Mutually semaphore. Okay, that will be called as mutex function. Okay, so if you have one or more messages mutually, then it will be set to as mutex. Okay, so there you will be using mutex functions. So format of mutex functions are given here. So any one of the format you used it for writing. தென் மெசேஜ் கியூ ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஸோ எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபார்மேட் வந்து கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசமாக தான் இருக்கும். யூ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு மெமரைஸ் ஆல் தீஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, just you uh, have only one point for each type of functions. Okay, message queue for if you are arranging the message in the queue, then you will be using this such type of functions. And then queues of functions, okay, which will be equivalent to your character device. Okay, while you are accessing the same character repeatedly in the program, then you will be using this syntax. Okay, and then time functions for applying the clock signal and maintaining the time period for everything, you will be using this syntax. And then shared memory function for sharing the memory device. Okay, the same memory device will be shared among all the programs repeatedly, so that will be used. That's Okay, so RT Linux is a special type of or real-time operating system which will be used for efficient work. Okay, which will be very efficient and fast and accuracy more than your Windows operating system. These are some modules of registering and deregistering and related functions of Linux module. Okay, while you are forming the modules of program, you will be using all this functions, that is initiating module and then insert module. This third one is for used for deleting and deleting command, and then cleanup command, then capability register capability. Okay, for registering and unregistering. Okay, and then registers in tab. So for supporting the table function, you will be using this symbol. Okay, which will be used for declaring the functions and variable in static manner.